In Reports.re, you can easily create compilations out of videos from your back catalog. When you create a compilation, you will create a new video, meaning it will be a new card that consists of different cards within it. To get started, go to the Cards section and filter the videos that will be considered as potential compilation components. For example, you may want to create a compilation from videos based on a specific topic that come from a specific channel that has been published. Here, the filter is set to show videos with mindset as its tag, coming from the Sazane Motivation channel and already published. Once the videos are filtered, you can launch the Compilation Wizard from the top right corner. This opens a new window where it will use the found videos to generate compilation options. First, set how many compilation options you want. Next, set how many videos each compilation should consist of. The wizard will generate those options so you can review them, as they will consist of different videos and different orders of videos in the compilation. After that, define the conditions for how cards are selected. Several options are available. You can prevent certain cards from being grouped together, ensure they've never appeared next to each other in previous compilations, maintain a specific order, or allow the system to generate freely without any conditions. There's also a unique set option, which ensures each compilation is different from the others. Once your settings are ready, click Deep Generate to start creating compilations based on your criteria. The wizard will display your compilations, each filled with the number of cards you specified. You can even adjust the order of cards in each compilation by simply dragging them around. If you want specific cards to always appear first in every compilation, click Select on Starting Cards, then search or filter to find the desired card and set it as the starting point. You can set as many specific cards as you want. Once saved, you can generate again, and that card will appear at the top of each compilation. You can review all compilation variants. Once you choose the compilation you want, proceed by hovering and clicking the Create Compilation Card button. You can either enter details manually or speed things up by selecting a template. Just pick a template, add a title, and hit Create Card. Your compilation card will be ready to use. Next, you need to bring all video files together to the Cut Video task in order to blend those files and render an actual video compilation based on them. You can collect all approved files from related cards by using a task scenario collector. Hover over the task and select a scenario, such as Compilation from Videos, English. The step-by-step process for creating the task scenario collector will be explained in the next part of the video. Once selected, go back to the Scenario tab and click this icon to execute the scenario. This will automatically gather all finalized files from the approved video edition task within each card, making final delivery much easier. You'll see all the collected files neatly listed in the File section. Since the order is a crucial part of the compilation, you may need to sort it by consist of. This will sort the files in the same order as they appear in the consist of section. You can then open the files in the video editor to generate a new compiled file. To do this, select all the files, right-click to open the context menu, then choose Open in Video Editor. All the video files will appear within the video editor to be used to compile your final video or repurpose them based on your needs. Optionally, you can slightly adjust the speed to make the compilation more unique. Then set the settings for video rendering, tagging, and file storage. All of this is explained in another manual. To generate the file, just click the Export button. The video will be rendered in the cloud, so you can close the tab and even your computer if needed. Files Collector Setup. Next, we will explain how to set up automation to collect the files into a compilation card automatically with just one click. To create a task scenario collector, hover over Workspace Settings and select Automation. From there, head to Task Scenario Templates, then click Create Task Scenario Template at the bottom. Start by entering a title for your scenario and select Task Operation Files Collector as the type. A table will appear. Click Set Source to define where the files will be pulled from. In the From What Cards section, you'll choose the relationship type between the main card and the cards that contain the files. Since this is for a compilation card, the relation should be set to Consist of Cards, which is the default relationship for cards grouped within a compilation. If needed, you can also specify card types, groups, or tags to narrow it down. Next, in the What Task section, define which task within each card the files should be collected from. For this use case, the task type is set to Video Edition, the status is set to Ready, and the tag applied is English. This ensures that files are only collected from the Video Edition task that are marked as ready and correctly tagged. If needed, you can also set additional filters, such as Task Executor, Partner, Tag Check, or Tag Category. In the What Files section, choose the folder the files should come from. For this use case, that would be the Approved folder. You can also apply more filters like File Tags, Checklist, or Tag Categories if needed. Once all your settings are in place, click Save to finalize the source. After saving, the source location will appear in the list. You can set the destination, where the collected files will be placed in the task that uses this scenario, such as the Sources folder. You can also edit, delete, or add more sources as needed. When everything is ready, click Add, and your task scenario will be created. In short, the Compilation Wizard, along with task scenario collectors, helps you streamline the entire process of grouping, organizing, and preparing content, so you can focus more on creativity and less on repetitive tasks.